Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the Aeon Echo. So as you can see guys, I got unlimited money there, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So let's get right into the video. This fully works guys, it's super insane. So if you like to play this game, keep watching and I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It's super cool guys, and if you like this game then you're going to love this mod with unlimited money guys. So let's get right into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. But yeah, it is super cool. And it works. So as you can see, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So let's get right into the video. So what we need to do is go to this website called Hex Mods. So let me show you guys the site right here. So once you're on this site guys, we're just going to go to the search bar and just type in Aeon's Echo. So let me just do that right here. And as you can see, it says it right there. So just download it and you're good. So be sure to try this out. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to go through with the download again. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video because this is super insane and it actually works and everything like that. So yeah, it's pretty wild. And if we go to the search bar and just type in Aeon's Echo, as you can see guys, it is super expensive. So let me just type it in right here, Aeon's Echo. I don't know why it's not popping up, but here's the game. And it's just so expensive. So be sure to try it out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe. This is super cool guys. It's totally working. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. All you have to do guys is go over to the Hex Mods website. So yeah, I'll see you in another video. But yeah, subscribe. This is super cool guys, and it actually works. So if this works for you guys, be sure to try it out because it's really fun. And I mean, there's always haters out there, right? But I can tell you, first-hand experience, this actually works pretty well. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys, and totally updated and all that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, as I said before, you just have to go to Hex Mods and you're going to be all good. So once you're there, guys, just go to the search bar and just type in Aeon. You can see it comes right up. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel guys because this is super cool.